didn't say you me NDC ni. But see why you see your mono. Me de. Nanyan sana ho. Emu bi biya. Some will can't to be soon. Also to provide evidence, either video, audio, and documents. Untimi mkofa audio bi embona try emfama to go pempedi embam. Meanwhile, only moshi.
Mame Mao Akwaba emfa umbra Ghana nsem TVGH so. Wofre me adwoa sechi. Ebusuafo abranti a okase ochre se oye NDC ni mapa. Chre se strong NDC member pa na ochre se enye se oye NDC ni nti no kwase asem bia na se bio odi echi na o support eye ura Napo me former energy and education minister Ura Matthew Opoku Prempe or support on 100% say odi Mugabe na NDC for say bi Jimmy Funibi court where trauma damage about a year audio bi a trendy say honorable Napo etu sika menkrofo say
na MPP ni the panifo no na poni ne panifo ne bantman that get panin ni nyina ene barekase ne asofia MP no omo nyina be hia omo be hia no oma obia 1.5 billion omo nyina ba obia ba je 1.5 billion no mde koye barekase MP no barekase asofia MP no o kan kire offensive engineer say and Sunday say wonum asofia light me no kasi na fam waskwa me di won wachi be mbe na po be fa bia me heda dim say me MPP no me fa information no
omundundum light e wa Shanti region sa ensem na e koso ntin Napo e de eye Mugabe e kokot ne no e na NDC ni guy e kire se support yo mo because en kwase azem na sabio omo edu na busuafo ansa na mede ensem ne bebro no Ghana hanom no minim say politics e na ye yina ye but sometimes as I say the politics e to nchen na ye read into meaning na ye hwesa two political parties me kire NPP na NDC party a sabio ejimi yen e wo me say NPP fo ba omo eye nniam bi a emboa oman no but at least omo yo omo best NDC fo nso bo omo ye nniam bi a emboa oman no but omo nso yo omo de omo betimi aye bia but NDC fo no sabio jimi no ya na ye adoso. Imagine say mo aba bebeji akondwa mo ba light ndundu na light dundum na temamfo no e ka say ye bre ye ndwuma esei ye niam esei nti mo ma na light ni ngina so a mo be solve mo problems no NDC fo akoye te say obi otifia wambobra na ne na abro abiti wo de bia na abro no ho a kire na NPP fo no mo etuetu sika and sa politics we no sa propaganda we no omo ye pe na ato Ghana fo bi omo trim na Ghana ni na eto ni trim ne so no ontena se ndwen ho se na mo wo power e na enkrofo bi etuetu sika e sabotage mo aban no why are you sitting down quietly mo nya hwemfa ho na mmom no be ka kire media mo ka kire media no so mo ka kire Ghana fo no meaning clear propaganda na mo ye but Ghana ni bi ndwen ne sa wa wubu amai oman no odu obi aba said this particular person akotu esika wenti nya akochi nipa na afa na court am bisa ne enti a oye sa na wo be ka kire Ghana fo se na pa akotu esika nti na light ni dundu nti ye den this fo ye that nti na this fo ujimi Ghana fo bebre sa. And the most painful part of it all, they say, Ghana food be brain, so just assembly by no mudiachi, uko Facebook now, uko comment section, I say about this particular audio nearby now. It's so pathetic. People believe it. Almost yet critical thinking about the whole situation. It's very sad. And this, if I didn't know, more politics here, time, sir. Yenti some brand no, the Ay3ka.
Mato Poku Prempe. As you TVS was there, ne Mugabe. Any hops in adoye. Me foaso. Didn't me foaso. In this modern era, no. Unim say, as some wokan, won't even provide evidence. Men can. Because didn't say you were ya pa. Didn't say you were me NDC ni. But see why you see your mono. Me de. Nanyan sana ho. Emo bi biya. Asama wo kan to bi so no. Also to provide evidence, either video, audio, and documents. Untimi mkofa audio bi embo na try emfa matoko pempedi embam. Meanwhile, only mo hwe. Me dem ni support it. Saa nneɛma no. Ti court a ɔmakɔ no, yɛnhwɛ na atɛntene ne yɛ adwuma. Ɔsɛ ase, me ɛyɛ me dɛ saa aba no saa sɛ ne bɛyɛ a NDC foɔ so de bi tu ɔmo ho fam de sua nyansa. MPP so de bi sua nyansa. Na Ghana yɛ nyinaa yɛ de sua nyansa. Na yɛ gyimi dodo.
Say no hyehyɛ no. Sami Jemfi say. Sɛ wo kwa santema mu na wo communicate dia. Sɛ da chi Julius Debra ene omane bo amachi omo anim kakra ma enye ni too much ma emma party fo akoma emma form so omo kwa kasa ayekra no ma twom agu form. Something MPP don't know how to do. Or say, men didn't attempt so much say and for ever feeling hard for them to come and do what? Support the party. Into kwa santimemu dia omane boama ene Julius Debra. Mo said in chicho manim kakra so mpenifo na nka say ye na otum na afei. Or say, whilst you are doing this, cuddle the ego. Hey, you people know what this guy did to Asante Mine. Now Asante Fortress Sami Jemfi na or say, while you are doing that, yes, Otumfo is God for us. Why? Pakwasi any move free hamame. And ya no one 7 year can ha more. Or say, Otumfo no asa aseso no Sami Jemfi beba be meeting. Yen cuddle ni ego. That means a monda da Otumfo. Moma na netrimu nyane de ewa santimemu. Monkas na no say to King Solomon no size. One Mahama de obi ntumi ntitemu ntemu. Twa Mahama one oye wadamfo. Mahama ye unipa na no say to ana or say neti how. Owie ya no sign ma instruction say. Him for asante him for nketinketi bi wo ha omo person omo ba no omo be defend Otumfo ba omo de mo ncho mo ya omo pa. The small tips ne de mo ya omo obi obeba so be defend Otumfo bi anamo ye no. Like I said, I have the document. If you follow me on Facebook and you are watching me on Facebook, it might be a bit far, but it is part of the pictures I have posted on my Facebook page and you can find it. This is Sami Jemfi. Asantememu die, Munda da Otumfo to cuddle the ego of Otumfo. Nana unkwaso, nana DC 10, nana no size. Adentia, cause owa santimemu. Or say, wuko Eastern Regional, a honor ye dicey. Because there are some people that still hold allegiance to the Ashantis. And in this case, not all compare a ye ochimine. Inti wuko baby a ye achim for la in dia. A ye ofuripeni, momwana baso. Tinu Momma na baso na monya yina mum mamon kanu too bad say na Otumfo ayi say ayesa ayifo no. And this is right up as ma make yan throw me wo ho evidence wa ha see a met me di atre Sami Jemfi say NDC fo na ebekwa akodi san komo no ade abaako a esese won yo ene say Eastern region for no we owe allegiance yene asantefo and asantemine is almost the same thing. It's who call us so could do Otumfo atem wo ha omubu befu. Nemom wufri the Eastern region is cut into parts. Ufri account for on the side of Eastern region. Now but to say ningo ni wan on so many ane ade ne dia ye den di Otumfo atem. Enyo no kwani ohene no kra no onya king or your paramount chief. Me say Sami Jemfi asemo or since kedwa enye kingship. Sami Jemfi said Wednesday me the silent and beba me kind of money na mahu. Or since kedwa anya kingship. Entimu kwa baby a Otumfo nche da anya popular one dia. Munka so Otumfo just like any regular paramount chief. No sorry a or to send tade gu no to say do ye ni pakese bi aba no wonyo obia and that is why they don't respect Otumfo. Simple. NDC will never respect Otumfo. It is not in them. They hate Otumfo. I don't care how you want to cut it. It is fact. Now don't say it way. NDC don't like you. That is why it is always when they come to power, they disrespect you. Or say, Muko so many anesa places wana. Munchia santehene or chehene. Sa ahemfono. Mun formun to den. Mun formun to tankruum. Na mun hruam. See the okafa abono hino. Or see or not there. They shouldn't touch him. It is in the letter. Mr. Wednesday, me the beba. Wednesday, me the big guano be a ready. Mundia sante hini atem. Na mun kantes asante hini cannot be trusted. Because there's some person on Mohammed in coma. I don't know what you and I can't come on Mohammed D. It you know asante hini cannot be trusted. But to kwa asante memu dia. Kasa asante big. But to free asante memu dia. Di dioma tem ki komiti bom. This is Sami Jemfi. The communication release here. Lucky enough. Enough. I just had an afina WhatsApp groups. Ya beba. It's no matibi. I know many now. Neja me informant be an amunu. Meja me ya no dem Ghana nam baby. And they told so na information. It's not me information. Ne pepe. From penny full minimum. Na me de mamo. Sadly, most of them didn't use it. But information be an enemy be an me de ba. So this same Sami Jemfi. Edidi otum fu atem ye bibi awie no. I thought say by that time as Antimine will rise. They didn't. And unko danchen. Now, Sami Jemfi be hunu say ye tumi attack otum fu. Na say you